Hello friends, this is Smita Sana with Ullas Entertainment again. As you can see nowadays, after so many days, I came to this video in Ullas Entertainment as we can show you good places, good stays here. So this is a new stay. Today I just invented. This is a very beautiful stay, and you can say so many couples, they want to enjoy their life, they want to excite their life, and they want to go some new places, new hotels, new resorts. But today, whatever I have invented, this is a apartment. This is the apartment. It called studio apartment. You can see my location. This is, I'm sitting now in a bar counter, and everything is available here, and you can see the exotic look and the lighting and the color here. So let's go with me. I will show you other amenities of this studio apartment. This is Smita Sana with lots of love. So friends, this is a huge bed with pink cover. See the colors of that bed. Wow, it's so beautiful, and like I no need to say, this is good for couple only. So this place is like they have made this kind of square there, and this is also velvet, and the amenities and the picture is very exotic, and here beside the bed there is a thing, you can say this is this is with water, and it will spread vapor actually. Okay, it will come slowly, and that vapor is very beautiful. It comes very slowly, and it gives you a beautiful smell itself, and ambience which you like. So just beside this thing there is a balcony also. If you want to feel the outside area also, there is a balcony, and they have drawn it very nicely. The colors are very beautiful. I think night time it is very beautiful. So in front of that bed, wow, it came. See? Wow, so dreamy, right? As you are lying with your partner, your loved one, and this kind of ambience is there with you, so you can imagine how you will enjoy the place. So just in front of that bed there is a huge TV. Wow, huge one. So you can enjoy Netflix and other apps, whatever it is available here, because they have given free Wi-Fi also. So you can watch everything here in that TV just in front of the bed. And after the bed, there is a beanbag. Everyone loves beanbag. I also love. And they have done beautiful architect here also. And this is pool. You can understand, you can imagine what you can do here. And just in front of that, this is the place to enjoy your extreme love life. So in front of this, they have beautifully placed these things. These things are very beautiful. You can see there are some structures, little bit structures. This is also very beautiful boat, and the anchor and books. Some books also there. If anyone want to read something, this is also available here, and very nice. And in front of, just beside this, there is a huge mirror. See? Wow. And just beside this, there is a bathtub. Can you imagine? Just a bathtub and it's open here and in front of your bed. I don't want to say what things you can do here. You can imagine an extreme thing you can enjoy. So this is a bathtub and wow, see the decorations. Wow. And this is not another room or another, you can say this is not another washroom area. This is in a room only. In a long room, bed is also there and that bar is also there and this bathtub is also there. And behind this, if you go, there is a washroom also. This is shower also. You can have hot water and cold water, whatever you want. And in front of this, there is a washroom. So friends, and if you want to go there is a Veshin area and see the Veshin area is itself a very beautiful place. So it don't have any swallow area. You just have to on the water and it will go like that only. Now it's so amazing, right? So the thing is, this total area, total room and whatever they have made studio apartment, this is a unique idea and we have booked it and we are very much happy with this equipment. See, there is some drawers, you can come. See, this is medical kit also available. Dryer also available. Hair dryer. And this is microwave. And this is also fridge. They have given some complimentary cokes. And just beside this, wow, this is beautiful. They have given bathtubs and a treasure. I want to show you the treasure. Wow. So this kind of treasures you can have here. Wow, I don't want to say what you can do with them. So things, oh my god. Oh my god. So all the things they have here, if you want to come with your partner, this is the best place I can say. And additional things are also available. Additional thing is hookah. Everyone's favorite hookah. It's also here. Everything is available. Hookah and see, all you can make your hookah. You can make your coffee. Coffee mug is also there. Some snacks also complimentary. All things are complimentary. See that almonds, that pista, toffees, and cashew nuts. Everything is available. And coffee mugs also are very unique. See, Starbucks and all. It's printed. Very nice, beautiful coffee mugs. And all kind of glasses. If you want to have wine, champagne, mocktail, cocktail, coffee, juice, whatever you want, you can have. All kind of glasses are available. And this is a Veshin. This is also very unique and beautiful. So the thing is all over the thing. Okay. And this drawers, they have plates and all things are spatulas and also everything are available. And this is also a place. Okay. This is salt. Oh, short. Cut something, fruits and all. And this is also a filter they have given inside. So with that filter you can have drinking water here, directly drinking water you can have here with your bottles. You don't have to ask anyone for your water or something. So you can have everything here only. So this is the total place. I think, oh my god, what to say? I am amazed that this is in Kolkata, this is in India. It's even not looking like India, you know. It's not even looking like India. So that all curtains and everything is very beautiful. The all things are very beautiful. See? Wow. So this is my favorite place. So see, this is the place and very beautifully designed, and I can recommend you just in your at least once in your life you just come to your with your partner here. And this is not very too much high rated. We will give you their contacts and link in our description also, so you can contact them, and with some 6,000 7,000 only they will take, and you will have enjoy this kind of enjoyment with your partner in this apartment. So this is a studio apartment. They will give you some codes or something you have to give them, and you will enjoy your total day, total night here. And I can assure you it will be the best day of your life with your partner. So this is the place. Just come. If you are bored with your life, you want to enjoy your life with your partner, the extreme something different you want to do, then this is the best place for you. So this is Smita Sana, be with me and we will show you a lot more things. Oh, another thing is this apartment also have a pool upstairs. So upstairs there is a pool and you can enjoy your pool also there. So 3 rooms are available here. This is the exclusive room, and another both room are there, so you can stay with your friends, or another kind of rooms are also available. So today we want to show this. So this is the exclusive one. So next time we will show you another rooms also of this apartment. So don't forget to book this apartment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Ullas Entertainment. This is Smita Sana with lots of love.